This is a Panasonic TC P50S30. What this thing is doing is randomly it will be able to be turned on. Most of the time you won't be able to turn it on whatsoever. There's no power light in the front. So what we need to do is take all the screws off. You have to take the screws off for here, your stand, and take all these little screws down here. Make sure you get these little small ones. And once you get the screws taken off on the case, this will lift up. And I want you to be extreme caution with the edges, because you will cut yourself. They're very sharp. I don't know why they were not deburred. They are extremely sharp. Once you get the backing off of it, I'll show you what to do next. Okay, now that the back's off, there's your power supply. That'll be your Y-sys board. Here's your buffer boards. Here's your main digital board. And it should be your Z-sys board, or Z board. I don't see a main controller, what I normally have for plasmas. But you can actually see that I already have the stuff unplugged. I got the ribbon cable unplugged on this as well. Yours is going to have these connections. But the problem with these, if you don't see any blown capacitors, and I've already worked on a similar style TV just like this, and the problem with the board itself, the main board, I just replaced the main board. I didn't even try troubleshooting it. You want to look right here. This is your model number of the board, TNP H0914-2A. And you want to make sure you get that exact model number of the board. If you can't find it and it's still a 2 number, on the resistors, there's kind of resistors here. And it's got a resistor bank, and they actually show you the different little letters here what this is compatible with. And the board that I bought has 2 other resistors into it, so all I have to do is just take those other off and make it work for this. So, with that being said, the main board is your problem, which is television. All you have to do is take that screw off, this screw off, this screw off, and this board lifts up. If you take the bottom 2 screws off here and one at the top, you can actually lift this whole piece out. And then, let me remember, I think the board just kind of wedges out. You got this plastic piece holding it in. And that's all I did. I just lift these 2 plastic pieces here up, and I was able to lift the board like this and slide it out. It may catch here in the corners. Once you get your new board in, stick it in there, and it should work. I'll show you in a minute after I get the new board in here. The TV works like new. After you get your TV put back together, and turn your power switch on. HDMI 1. TV is good as new. Thanks for watching. Subscribe. Leave me a comment, question. I'll see you next time.